Welcome to Tomahawk DIY, everyone. Today I want to show a little comparison between a regular cordless drill. This is a Ridgid model 86008. You can check out my reviews on this elsewhere on my channel. And this is a Ridgid R86034 impact driver. Do a little comparison between the two of these. Folks are very familiar with drills. Sometimes folks aren't as familiar with an impact driver, which generally has more torque than a drill. I've never tried this test before, so it'll be my first time to see this. This is a new set that I got recently and was originally just in the market just for a cordless drill, but for only about 30 bucks more on a sale I was able to pick up this impact driver at the same time in a combination set from Ridgid. And the reason I'm starting to love Ridgid tools is you just cannot beat their warranty, especially with cordless tools where they will replace your battery for free if it starts losing its juice. So now for the comparison. I've got to set this up. I've got a 2.5-inch drywall screw, and I have a self-drilling exterior screw. This is an 1 5/8. We'll drill each one with with the driver and the drill, and we'll see how they compare. I'll be just pulling the trigger full bore and putting them in as fast and as far as we can do. So here we go with the drill. Let me tighten up the torque on this as far as it'll go. I didn't really expect that. So this is to maximum torque now. Alright. So that's the that was the impact, or I'm sorry, that was the regular drill. I'm going to lift up this end just in case, so I have more clearance on getting this screw as far as it will go into the wood. So, all right, the impact driver, it's like having a hammer hitting the back of your drill as it goes in. And we'll see how this compares. Looks like that's as far as it would go. So they both went in through the same length. You can see a little bit of difference. I had to turn up the torque on this one. So let's see how the comparison goes on this self-drilling exterior screw. We'll start with the drill, and I'm going to turn the torque down to the low range. And it bottomed out again. Turn that up to the high. And it went in. Alright, let's try the impact driver now. There we go. Alright, both of them went all the way through. Let's take this just for kicks and giggles, since the drill bottomed out at the low torque setting. Let's see what happens when we start at the high torque setting. Alright, first the drywall screw. Whoops. Helps if I lined up straight. Let's back that out and we'll start over. Here we go. Boy, I'd think I've never drilled before, wouldn't you? Okay. Well, I don't know how this would compare in the long run. Let's try that self-drilling screw. So, there you have it. Comparison between a regular drill and an impact driver. They both perform the job in this test. Seen both do about the same as long as the regular drill is turned up to its maximum torque. This one's a little bit noisier, that's a little bit quieter. I'd see this as you get into higher torque applications really being valuable. We'll see how it goes. So, thanks for watching Tomahawk DIY. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video if you like this, and have a good day.